I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a dual SIM or eSIM to your iPhone so you can use two different numbers on the same phone. The first step is to open up your settings app, and then you're going to select Cellular. If, for instance, you're going to add a new provider, all you're going to do is scroll down and you're going to tap on Add eSIM. Now, if you have it on another phone, you can click Transfer from Nearby iPhone, or if they give you a particular code, then you're going to use Scan QR code, and typically you'll have this at the store. All you're going to have to do is hold this up in front of the code that they have for you to scan, and then it will go through a couple of setup features, and then you can basically set up very easily through there. Click finish and you'll be done. You can also enter the details manually by clicking the bottom here. You will enter these particular codes that the provider will give to you, and on the top right you will click next and you'll be all set. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more.